Welcome to our channel. If you need to add a checked bag to your American Airlines reservation, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepay for luggage and avoid higher fees at the airport. Step 1. Go to the American Airlines website and log in to your AAdvantage account, or access your booking using your confirmation code and last name. Step 2. Click My Trips to view your upcoming flights. Step 3. Select the flight for which you want to add a checked bag. Step 4. Click Add Bags or Manage Bags to see your baggage options and fees. Step 5. Choose the number of checked bags you want to add. American Airlines allows up to 10 bags per passenger, depending on fare class and destination. Step 6. Review the baggage fees for your flight. Prepaying online typically costs less than paying at the airport. Step 7. Enter your payment information and confirm the purchase to add the checked bags to your reservation. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation of your baggage purchase. Bring this confirmation with you to the airport when you check in for your flight. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.